What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make some pulled pork barbecue sandwiches right here in the CrockPot, baby, because it's my birthday and I feel like celebrate, man. I'm going to get out there and dance with Cool and the gang. So, first thing that you got to do, you're going to make some pulled pork. Got to have that pork, baby, that porky pig. So, today, I went ahead and got a big old loin. Not to say I didn't have one already, if you know what I'm talking about. But I had to go to the store and get this pork loin. And the thing about it is, it was kind of like me. There's a little bit too much fat on there. So we're going to trim some of that fat off. Not all of it now. But you want to trim some off because if you don't, this thing's going to get just a little too greasy. And we don't want none of that nasty shit. We want that good. So, go ahead and trim some fat off. And then we're going to rub it down with this Famous Dave's rib rub seasoning. I use this on everything that I barbecue. So I want you to go ahead and sprinkle that on there, flip it over, do it to the other side, and now I want you to rub it down and sing to it, sweet meat, I love you, baby. So once we get our loin rubbed, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the tub, in the crock pot there for a second. So put that crockery open, and then we're gonna put the loin down in. Now I'm gonna put this sucker on high duty, so we can get high too. Now, go ahead and put it on high, put the lid on. I'm going to leave this sucker in here for about 6 to 8 hours because it's a big old piece of meat, buddy, just like Dad. So, we're going to leave that in there. And then, after about 6 or 8 hours or so, we're going to take this lid off, and I guarantee you there's going to be a little bit of juice down in there. And I'm not talking about gin and juice, Snoop double G. So, we're going to put that juice outside and take our loin and set it over here on this cutting board. Now, we're going to go ahead and cut into little pieces, and we'll go ahead and actually shred as we cut because, like I said, this pulled pork, it ain't sliced pork, dummy. Now, we're going to go ahead and pull that all out, put it back in the crockery, and now it's time for that sauce, baby, because the sauce is the boss, and you know me, I got that Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Ooh, so we're going to go ahead and put that sauce in there, stir around, we're going to let it go, and just let it sit there for about 15-20 minutes or so. Kind of let it cook together. Now, we are ready to assemble our damn big bad birthday sandwich, aren't we? You know, I was up last night. You're saying, Black, oh, where's your birthday beer at? Man, I think I had all my birthday beers for this year and next year last night. I was up listening to Savage Garden talking about, ooh, I want you, I don't know if I need you, but damn, I was having a good old time. A little too good of an old time. I could use about 4 or 5 of these sandwiches. So, we're going to go ahead and open this up. And today, we got the Pepperidge Farm onion poppy seed buns. You said, like, oh, you're getting a little fancy on us there. Man, what are you, Fabulous George over there? No, I am just regular old me, but I wanted a fancy bun for my fancy day. So, open that bun up. Then, we're going to put just a little bit of lettuce down on the bottom of that thing, baby. Now, you can add any kind of other vegetables you want. You can do pickles, you can do onions, you can do jalapenos, but I didn't have any here at the house, and I damn sure wasn't going to the store because you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit, so went ahead and put some lettuce down. Now, I want you to get a big old heaping helping of this BBQ mixture. Put that on top, heavy duty, sir. Now, you top it with that other bun, and we done, and we ready for some fun, baby. We ready for a sight. And we ready for a big whole bite of this lovely birthday sandwich tonight, boy. And I'll tell you what, I'm about to go get my little party hat and party down, man. I'm gonna be gobbling this damn thing up like Pac-Man's ass, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The pulled pork sandwich is done. And I'm having that first big birthday bite for my damn self. So, oh! Delicious. Nutritious. That dry rub on there packs in that flavor. And then that barbecue sauce ties it all together with that fresh lettuce and that onion bun. It's oh so fun. So, I want to thank all of you funny fools for coming and watching another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, you'll excuse me and get out my damn way. I'm going to have some more of this sandwich. So, I'll see you next time, buddy.